It's such an exciting day. We're doing a ribbon cutting on this new pole installation behind us at Randolph Career and Technical School. This is an opportunity for the young people enrolled in our energy industry fundamentals class and electrical classes to have hands-on experience to lead them to in-demand careers at DTE Energy.
This opportunity here, this learning experience that's going to be here in perpetuity for our young people is going to be one that is immeasurable and is going to create tons of experience to put them a step ahead when they move into the job force. And we are very thankful for our partnership with DTE.
Skilled trades is critical for not only, for the city of Detroit, for the state of Michigan, for the world. So for this youth, it gives them, again, that experience and exposure to what it's like to do this. They get to see if they enjoy it, if they want to be part of it, and then they can continue on that journey to learn and ultimately get an amazing career.